Hi there. Today, as I promised, we will wire up this remote switch for the lights on the water pump. Each of the 4 outputs should handle 1000 watts, which should be enough. Wiring this device directly in the switchboard may be a problem because we are feeding multiple outlets from the breaker and consequently they will be switched off at the same time. Therefore, we make a box with 4 outputs like our remote device and connect this box with a plug to the socket. I already bought a ready-made box for about 15 euros, so I just need to prepare the opening for the cable with the plug. The whole circuit will be fused with 60 amps like the socket we are connected from. Now I will wire the device inside exactly as in the previous video and connect each of the 4 outputs to one of the sockets. I think both of the black wires are doing the same thing, so I'll put them together inside the neutral connector. I noticed that I forgot to connect the neutral wire to our sockets, so of course let's fix this mistake. The black wires and neutral will be together. To summarize, our hot wire from the plug will go to the red wire on the digital remote switch, and the neutral wire from the plug will go to both the black wires and to our connector for neutral wires for the sockets. Now we will connect our outputs from the switch to each of the sockets inside the box. In this case, they made these 2 sockets together, so we need to separate them from each other because we have still 2 outputs left Okay, the wiring is done, I think, so let's put inside some juice from socket. For demonstration we will use again a white bulb, so let's put our plug in the socket. Okay, letter B. Let's try another one. I think this one will be the letter D. Yes, it is. Okay, I think it's working now. We can move to the basement and try the water pump. Okay, now plug in our device inside. Next, connect the water pump inside one of the sockets. This device's output is about 500 watts. Okay, it seems working according to sound. At the moment I have the switch about 8 meters away from me, closed in the room, and it is true that turning it on or off does not work on the first try. It is necessary to press the button several times, but if you have direct air reach to the switch, it works without problems.